Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to generate text for your AI video using v.io. So let's get started. First, I have already opened v.io. Now let's generate your text into an AI video. This is the website's dashboard. Go to the AI edits and select AI text to video. Describe your topic. In my case, I will discuss mushroom facts and information. Next, select your purpose and type of video. I chose others for this tutorial. Then, select the format, portrait or landscape, as per your preference. You can also choose your avatar if you needed. Now it's time to choose your voice, style, and subtitle format. After selecting those, we move forward to continue. Review your script, adjust your tone, and target audience of voice. You can also add more text or remove it accordingly. If you are done, click to continue. Your video is now generating. This will take few seconds. In the editing phase, you can add animations, titles, editors, subtitles, and anything else you need. You can also adjust the video's saturation and other settings. Once you are done with your video editing, go to the export options. Choose the quality, standard or high, and export your video. If you want subtitles, make sure to press the option of Burn Subtitles. You can download it easily. Let's check the video.
Mushrooms are truly fascinating organisms that play a crucial role in our ecosystems. Did you know that they are more closely related to animals than to plants? This is because they share a common ancestor, which makes them unique in the fungal kingdom. There are over 10,000 known species of mushrooms, and they come in a stunning array of shapes, sizes, and colors.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.